Okay, I'm doing a short field takeoff. I have a bit of crosswind coming from my right, so you'll see that crosswind correction as I start to roll out. And I'm beginning to let out that crosswind correction as I approach rotation speed, which is 55 for a short field takeoff. And then immediately nosing over to gain some airspeed, 65 for best angle of climb speed. And then climbing away, apply some down trim, and then shortly after this I would realize I need to take out my 10 degrees of flaps. And here is a different angle of the same short field takeoff, letting out some of that crosswind correction. Pitch up just ever so slightly at 55 and immediately nosing over to gain airspeed for 65. And then gaining enough airspeed to start climbing